Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to share 4 cases of roller rotary operations. 1. Roller mode with support module operation on tall wine glass. 2. Roller mode operation on cylindrical cup. 3. Chuck mode with screw component and tailstock component operation on sphere. 4. Chuck mode with screw component operation on ring. Before we dive into the operations, it's important to note that the laser module could be 2 watts, 10 watts, or 20 watts. For this video, we're using a 10-watt laser, so the parameter values below are based on the settings for a 10-watt laser. 1. Roller mode with support module operation on tall wine glass. The tall wine glass is made of glass material, so the color paper is required for the operation. Firstly, calculate the pattern size required for the laser on the tall wine glass. Cut the laser color paper according to the size. The color paper size must be larger than the pattern size. Color paper comes in various options, and for this case, black is chosen for its stability. 2. Immerse the color paper in water for about 5 minutes. Gently separate the color paper in water, remove the white paper, and then paste the black adhesive layer onto the wine glass. When pasting, be careful not to reverse the front and back. 3. Use your hands to squeeze out the air bubbles between the color paper and the wine glass, smooth out the wrinkles, and then use a hairdryer with cool air or let it dry in a cool place. Moving to the operation table, measure the wine glass with a diameter of 576 millimeters. Adjust the roller bracket according to the wine glass diameter. Support modules are needed for assistance this time. Fix the wine glass securely. Double-click the Lightburn software, import the pattern file. Confirm whether the pattern size in the software is appropriate, and rotate the pattern. Click on Rotary Setup, choose Roller Enable Rotary Mirror Output to Rotary. Input the raw layer diameter and object diameter, and click OK. Adjust the glass filling parameters. For the first use of roller mode, enter $103 equals 35.555 in the console and click Enter. Move the laser module to prepare for focusing. Confirm the laser frame area. Adjust the focus distance to 14 millimeters. Normal material is around 4 millimeters, but for glass laser on thin color paper, it needs to add 10 millimeters. And click Start. After the laser is finished, click Reset. Take out the wine glass, soak it in water for about 5 minutes, and then peel off the color paper. The operation is complete. 2. Roller mode operation on a cylinder cup. For this case, we're using a cylindrical stainless steel cup with a diameter of 65 millimeters. Securely place the cup onto the roller stand. Import the pattern file, click on Rotary Setup, choose Roller Enable Rotary Mirror Output to Rotary, input the roller diameter and object diameter, and click OK. Sequentially set parameters such as pattern size, speed, power, and line interval in the software. Move the laser module to prepare for focusing. For detailed focusing method, please refer to tutorial Lightburn operation with roller rotary. Confirm the laser frame area and click Start. Once the laser operation is complete, take out the cup. 3. Chuck mode with screw component and tailstock component operation on a sphere. For this case, we've chosen a plastic painted sphere. Next, adjust the reserve position for the sphere. Open the Lightburn software, set the pattern size and orientation in the software. For the first use of chuck mode, enter $103 equals 133.333 in the console. Click on Rotary Setup, choose Chuck mode, enable Rotary Mirror Output to Rotary, input the object diameter, and click OK. Then adjust parameters such as speed, power, and line spacing. Move the laser module to prepare for focusing. For detailed focusing method, please refer to tutorial Lightburn operation with roller rotary. Confirm the laser frame area and click Start. Once the laser operation is complete, take out the sphere. 4. Chuck mode with screw component, operation on a ring. This time, we're using a circular ring, made of titanium steel. And we'll use the chuck mode with the screw component adjusted according to the ring size. Double-click the Lightburn software, import the pattern, and sequentially set the size, power, and speed in the software. Adjust the pattern orientation, etc. Click on Rotary Setup, choose Chuck Mode, enable Rotary Mirror Output to Rotary, input the object diameter, and click OK. Move the laser module to prepare for focusing. For detailed focusing method, please refer to tutorial Lightburn operation with roller rotary. Confirm the laser frame area and click Start. Once the laser operation is complete, take out the ring and check out the result. Today's video ends here. See you next time.